you have tried it once. Because now that a person like me can ask this at first exam, and in the next exam I will say that let the output be what has happened is I have only switched off the positions that I was writing earlier, and I am writing exactly the positions which I have switched off. Then that first blank का जो loop है ना, that will actually print, और जो printing का loop है that will print spaces. It is easier to get this half, क्योंकि इस केस में I have never written these spaces after it. इसका लूप ही नहीं था मेरे पास, क्योंकि I print backslash n and come out. ये लूप आपके पास ना होने के कारण इससे चेंज करने गए तो तुम्हें एक लूप और लिखना पड़ता है और उसका जनरलाइजेशन भी करना पड़ता है, एंड इतने स्पेसेस बीच में छोड़ने भी पड़ते हैं. सो जो प्रिंटिंग के लूप्स है दोज विल बिकम नॉन प्रिंटिंग, और जो स्पेस के लूप्स है दोज विल बिकम प्रिंटिंग लूप्स, एंड वन लूप फॉर द राइट हैंड साइड स्पेसेस which is not there, that has to be added. It will be a outer for loop. Inside that you will have 4 for loops. Right now we have 2, and that 2 is giving me this output. I will have a decremental loop after that, 3rd loop, and extra spaces, 4th loop. And that number of spaces to be printed, if you are good at thinking, then it is exactly the same loop which is to be copied after. यहाँ 3 छोड़े तो वहाँ 3 ही छोड़ने हैं बाद में, यहाँ 2 छोड़े तो वहाँ भी 2 ही छोड़ने हैं, like that. इसमें देखो 1 2 3 1 2 1, यहाँ 1 तो यहाँ 1, यहाँ 2 तो यहाँ 2, मतलब जितने स्पेसेस का लूप आपने यहाँ लिखा है वही यहाँ लिखना होगा. Okay? These are all the exercises by which any position in the matrix can be accessed very fast. You should exactly know where you are in this case, क्योंकि आप स्क्रीन पे देख सकते हो. मैट्रिक्स में आपको अगर कहा जाए कि fill up the numbers in this way, it will be very difficult, क्योंकि you cannot see it right now when you are filling up. When you print it, you will come to know. Now in this case, you can actually see the output. Now I can simply say that instead of printf, if I simply say a of ij equal to that value, my job is done. Wherever I am saying backslash n, it will be I equal to I plus 1, going to the next row. And going horizontally in the printing is nothing but incrementing j. Screen देखा तो क्या है वो? It is again rows and columns only. ना backslash n will take you to the next row, and printf is taking you to the next column. And that's why I purposely used I and j only as row number, column number. One more exercise that we have could be very interesting. Try it in the college, and there will be so many people who will be around you to see that program, which is not a very big program as such. I want you to show me on screen at some position a star. Okay? This star should keep on moving in the diagonal position. When it hits the top of the screen, it should start moving in this direction. If it hits the right, it should hit bottom. Should go like this, and it should keep on moving till you press the key. For this, you will have to first of all clear the screen that you know. Now the question is how to go to appropriate position, because every printf will take you down. There is a function called as go to xy in conio.h, to which you are required to specify What is the sequence? X and Y coordinate. Remember, X and Y coordinate. And what is X coordinate on the screen? This. And Y is below. मतलब रो नंबर कॉलम नंबर नहीं है, अब वो उल्टा देना पड़ेगा. Column number and then row number. Okay, this is position 1 1, this is 2 1, 3 1, like that. And then here you have 1 2 below. So go to x y, x comma y. The cursor will shift to that position. X comma y, x and y को values देने पड़ेंगे आपको. Or you can directly write the values. I start with saying that. So this is one function. So conio.h is to be included. Just make a note of this. And then we start with saying that let the initial position be, say x equal to 100, y equal to 100. अरे 100 कहाँ से यार? We are in the text mode now. We have got only 80 columns and 25 rows. Okay, so x can be say 20 and y equal to say 6, any value. Fine. I will have to say go to x y, x comma y, and then when the cursor, it will go automatically, you don't have to do, it will be at that position, and over there if you execute printf star, that star will be printed at that location. Next time I want to take it up diagonally, what should I do? What will be that position? I will have to increment x and I will have to decrement y. So from here it will go up, x is incremented, y is decremented. Fine, and this should be in a loop. Good enough? Right, but this will continue up to what time? Till y becomes 1. y 0 तो नहीं हो सकता क्योंकि 0 रो डज नॉट एग्जिस्ट. y इक्वल टू 1, y 1 हो जाएगा तो उसके बाद आपको ऐसे जाना है. इन दिस केस x शुड इंक्रीमेंट, y ऑल्सो शुड इंक्रीमेंट. Okay, so here x is incremented, y is decremented. In this, x is incremented, y is also incremented. What about this path? X is decremented, y is incremented. And this path, both are decremented. This path, x is decremented, y is incremented. So you have got all the combinations. How many combinations will be there? 4. 4. Here you require discrete maths. 2 ways of x, writing the next x, plus or minus. 2 ways of writing y, combination say it is 2 into 2, 4. 4 ways, but then 4 conditions I will require. Instead of that, I will write this as slight modification. I am saying step x and y equal to y plus step y, and I initially start with saying that step x is plus 1 and step y is minus 1. Same effect, no? I had written x equal to x plus 1, y equal to y minus 1. Instead of that I am writing x equal to x plus step x, y equal to y plus step y. What is the advantage? See that when it hits the top and moves to this direction, so far as x increment is concerned, it is intact. Y which was decrementing should become incremental. Correct? So I can write a condition here saying that if y has become 1, then step y should become plus 1 के बजाय I will say change the sign. और ओके चलो प्लस 1, फाइन, वो माइनस था प्लस हो जाएगा. ओके, बट व्हेन y becomes 25, what will be the case? बॉटम को हिट करने पर it was incrementing, that's why it was hitting the bottom. Now it should decrement. You will say step y equal to -1. But I can combine these two conditions and say that or y hitting bottom, step y should just change its direction. Fine. So when you are going up, step y was minus. When it hits top, it will be minus of -1 will become plus. While incrementing, you hit the bottom, it was incremental, step y will become minus step y, it will be decrement. Same thing happens with x. Like it is hitting right, x should decrement. So I will say when x becomes 80 or x becomes 1, step x equal to minus step x. Okay, and then we want to again go to that position xy and keep on doing this. Kab tak? Till somebody presses the keyboard. Till somebody presses the keyboard. And there is a function called as kb hit. Keyboard hit is a function through conio.h only, which will tell us whether keystroke is there or not. Okay, this will return true or false. If kb hit is true, that means key has been hit, and we want to say as long as no key is pressed, keep on doing it. So I will say while not kb hit, जब तक कीबोर्ड प्रेस नहीं होता तब तक ये स्टार ऐसे ही घूमता रहेगा. वेट 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 रुको. लेकिन इसमें एक प्रॉब्लम है कि ये सभी स्टार्स रहेंगे. आफ्टर सम टाइम द एंटायर स्क्रीन विल बी फुल ऑफ स्टार्स. इट्स नॉट मूविंग. टू मूव दैट, what you will have to do, you will have to again go to the same position and then printf space, and then you should increment x. So you are going to that position, writing star, then you are writing space. So that star will appear, it will vanish, and then next position it will be seen. Only thing is, now the machines are so fast that you will hardly see anything. So you want to make it slow, and to make it slow there is a function called as delay. Delay will take the argument in milliseconds. I say delay 500. You can try it on your machine. If it is too slow, decrement it. If it is still faster, increment it. So you can see that star moving, and the previous star is getting erased. So it will be seen for 500 milliseconds and will be erased. Still nobody will come and see your program. People will come and see your program when you say something like sound x star 50 and then no sound. On PC speaker, sound function, which is you can go write sound and say press Ctrl F1, you will come to know where it is. That file has to be included. Similarly for delay. Okay, they are there in dos.h actually, but press Ctrl F1. Now what happens is, as the star moves towards right, frequency will increase, sound key. It's not constant. So there will be some funny sound. It will go on increasing like a siren. When it starts moving to the left, it will decrement. And then every student will come to your machine and see what you are doing. That too, it is still okay, because it is a irritating sound. It goes to the right. That's the only thing. Make it more funny. You add y to it, plus y into 20. And then it is a very zigzag type of thing. Because sometimes x is increasing, sometimes x is decreasing, some different sounds. and to sustain that sound, increase this delay. Keep on running this program till somebody catches you, and they have no means. They have no means of not allowing you to do this. It's a C practical. क्या हुआ? अरे पीसी स्पीकर की बात कर रहा हूँ मैं. मशीन बूट होते हुए एक बीप आता है ना, उस स्पीकर से चलता है वो. बड़े स्पीकर्स की जरूरत भी नहीं है. You don't require a multimedia machine. PC speaker पे, and that too a few machines they have got the sound loud enough. Few might be very weak. जाने दो. Catch a good machine. बूट करते वक्त जो अच्छा सा बीप देना उस मशीन पे करो. It's like that. I'm giving you one. It need not be only 50, 20 like that. You can make any combinations, add, subtract, whatever. Different frequencies you can listen to, and different sounds. नहीं, DOS.h, DOS.h, DOS या stdlib. Check it. Control F1 से देख लो. This way you can do it. What you are required to declare simply step x, step y, x, y integer. पहले screen clear कर लो, नहीं तो ये clear कर ही लेगा. This star moves over the entire screen. It will clear it off if you don't do it. Now. Still there are things to work out. I can set the text color also. Text color and text background color. So right now it is still in black and white. Okay, whereas now you people have got color monitors in the college. So check for these two commands. Text color. That is there in con.io. And I will say here text color. I know that there are only 16 colors, but I will use it as X, or you can have X plus Y. 16 colors are there, it will always take the remainder. Even if the color value goes to 50, it will be color 2. So you don't have to worry about it. There are no 80 colors, not 25 colors, but you give X value, or you can give X plus Y. See the effect. If it is X, that means X coordinate के हिसाब से color change होता जाएगा. Every column will have a different color, but a same color. Whenever star comes to that position, it will be printed with that color. हर एक रो में ऐसे 16 के पैचेस आपको दिखेंगे. आपको अगर रोज देखना है तो give it as Y. Okay? आपको अगर diagonals देखना है तो give it as X plus Y. Only thing is color printing will not be there on the screen unless you go for cprintf, console printf. Cprintf is just like a printf, but it takes the color attributes. So now the screen will be colored. Okay, there will be sound. Okay. Anything else you want to do with this? If you don't give this, then the entire screen will be filled with different colored stars. आप erase नहीं करोगे उसे. So all the stars will remain. Fine. Okay. One job I have told you earlier actually, even that can be done. We can write something like play win, lottery. We start with I equal to 0. Start with I equal to 0. Instead of cprintf this, go for printing value of I. And increment I, and don't write this. The entire screen will be full of numbers. कहाँ से? Why this is also important? is you can see that it gets incremented 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 32767, then it becomes minus 32768. Even you can see that on the screen. And that too at different positions, and then it goes on enlarging क्योंकि it is not a single column printing, क्योंकि वो 2 digit बनेगा, फिर 3 digit, फिर 4, फिर 5, like that. And so it will be so many digits will be there on the screen. Wherever you press the key, that is the play-in number today's, because the cursor can be seen over there. So run a lottery as a time pass. Good collection. In this case one should not switch off the previous numbers, क्योंकि फिर वो देख के पता चल सकता है कि कौन सा नंबर चल रहा है. एक आध मिनट आपने ये रन किया प्रोग्राम, डोंट इरेज इट, रन इट, देन द एंटायर स्क्रीन विल बी फुल ऑफ नंबर्स. सिर्फ डिजिट्स होंगे और आपको ये पता नहीं चलेगा कि अभी कर्सर कहाँ है. ये तो पता चलता है, लेकिन कौन सा नंबर चल रहा है ये नहीं पता चलता, क्योंकि वह सब एक दूसरे में मिक्सअप हो जाते हैं, कनेक्टेड रहते हैं सभी. Do this, one of the best assignment. It has got everything. It has got colors, it has got sound, it has got all the console functions. So many creative things can be tried out of it. I am using the entire screen. If you don't want to do that, you can use only this much portion of the screen. How? Yeah, these limits. You can say that x equal to 5 से x equal to 20 तक, y equal to 5 to 20, and x equal to 10 से 80 तक or 70 तक. So you will have blank space outside also. Could be more interesting. Possible. Anywhere you can do it. In any portion of the screen. Only thing is initial values should be in that rectangle. वो बाहर रुके नहीं चलने वाला. Because our comparison is equal to. That's a risky thing. Code is straight, this. Every lab assistant was complaining against me in Siagat for giving this assignment, because they had to sit in the lab and every machine was making a sound. Let me tell you further that it is quite likely that what they did after they came to me finally, after all the complaints and all, sir, what to do? So I asked them that go to include, उसमें dos.h है, उसमें तुम्हारा ये sound command भी है, put a comment to it, /star. Sound को अगर comment वहाँ पे कर दिया तो sound functions won't work. And in that case you can work silently. So अगर आपके यहाँ वो नहीं चला by chance, तो you go to dos.h, वहाँ पे sound देखो, उसको comment होगा तो निकाल दो and run. And they cannot eliminate dos.h. वो उसे डिलीट तो कर ही नहीं सकते, सवाल ही पैदा नहीं होता. Okay, so dos.h has to be there or stdlib.h has to be there. They can at the most put a comment into it to that function. अगर वो नहीं चला तो either the PC speaker चल रहा है कि नहीं आपको पहले ही पता चल जाएगा when you switch on the machine. And still if the sound is not working, control F1 से फाइल इंक्लूड किया कि नहीं देख लो एक बार. Otherwise go to that include directory, open that file in turbo C only, that open dos.h. वहाँ नहीं होगा तो पाथ दे दो include से, open it, see that file, उसमें कहीं भी अगर साउंड वगैरह होगा जिसे कमेंट है तो कमेंट निकाल दो, save it, come out, run it. Okay, then people tried to delete that line. Then the best option is अपने मशीन से dos.h कॉपी करके फ्लॉपी पे अपने डायरेक्टरी में कॉपी कर लो एंड गिव द पाथ एज माय ओन डायरेक्टरी. हम जो इंक्लूड लेस देन से करते हैं, दैट इंक्लूड विल वर्क फ्रॉम द डिफॉल्ट डायरेक्टरी विच इज इंक्लूड. इंस्टेड ऑफ दैट इफ यू राइट डबल कोट्स dos.h, say then it will include dos.h which is there in your directory. अब तो कोई कुछ नहीं कर सकता. Now तो nobody can do it. It will go panic like that. And then once you are used to this sound and all, other programs, other people's program are running dry, like, because they are not using the colors, no sound. Every time your menu will come up with some sound, because that is just a sequence of the frequencies. And now that you are using the mobiles and setting your own tunes, it is as simple as that here. Whatever are the keys, or whatever ABCD you are writing in that, you can say that C is 100 frequency, then D will be 120. C plus, C major, C minor and all, you can define that and enter those sound delay, sound delay, sound delay of 5. That is my tune. Along with menu, you just say play tune. It will play it. So whenever menu is displayed, that tune will be automatically there. We are yet to learn menus, but still. This go to XY is very useful again, because now, if you have understood this last 5 minutes job, see what I want to do. On screen, I want you to draw the matrix of size m by n. Draw it actually. With draw it means your text से ही draw करना है हमें. And while taking the input, let the cursor be here. Let the user place the first number 13 and press enter. Cursor will go here. Here we have got I, Z as the row number, column number. We want to establish a relation of I and Z with the screen X and Y. In general, I can say that, I can say go to XY. चलो लाइन्स अभी तक ड्रॉ नहीं की है. Go to XY. What should be the position? Every time Z is incremented, I should increment X by say 10 columns. 80 है हो, इतना इनपुट तो कौन देगा? 10, 5, 6 जो भी है. Initially I want to start from column number 20. I can. So I can say go to XY 20 plus Z star 8, comma. That is X coordinate, which is in terms of column number. And Y coordinate, suppose I want to start from Y equal to 5 on the screen. So it will be 5 plus I star 2. Alternate lines पे input लेंगे. And then we will say scanf %f ampersand a of IJ. I have not drawn this. Lines अभी तक draw नहीं की है. But you press enter, it will automatically go ahead. हर नंबर के बाद enter देना होगा. But interesting thing, यहाँ a proper output. Okay? हाँ, चलो अगर ये पूरा नहीं ड्रॉ करना है, if you want to draw only this part, how will you do it? सिर्फ इतना पार्ट. तो आपको ये पता है, हेलो, if this is starting from column 20, this line must be in column number 18, 19, जो भी है 18. Okay, so before entering into this scanning loop, I can say go to XY. Row number is the M. जहाँ इनपुट लेना है वही रो नंबर होगा. कॉलम नंबर इज 18 ऑलवेज. दैट वर्टिकल लाइन, और में जो यूज करते हो वो. सो दिस लाइन विल बी ड्रॉन 1. और जब आपका इनपुट खत्म हो जाएगा, ओके, तो उसके आगे आई विल सिंपली से इनपुट के बाद फिर एक बार गो टू एक्स वाई तो नहीं होगा, स्कैनएफ से उसने एंटर किया है, आई विल हैव टू यूज गो टू. ओके, गो टू एक्स वाई 20 प्लस जे स्टार, एक्चुअली जे इंक्रीमेंट हुआ है, आई विल डिक्रीमेंट इट फर्स्ट क्योंकि लास्ट पोजीशन से 8. हाँ ठीक है ना, नेक्स्ट नंबर का इनपुट जहाँ होगा वहाँ, ठीक है चलेगा. गो टू एक्स वाई 20 प्लस जे स्टार 8 कॉमा 5 प्लस आई स्टार 2. Will print this line also. Okay. लेकिन ये लाइंस डायरेक्टली नहीं आएंगे, पहले ये लाइन आएगा, आप नंबर्स इनपुट करो, लास्ट नंबर इनपुट करने पर ये लाइन आएगा, फिर नीचे वाला लाइक. लेकिन आपको सिर्फ मैट्रिक्स ही पहले ड्रॉ करना है, तो ये निकाल दो एंड रन द लूप. That will show that lines only. क्या फर्क पड़ता है, अंदर वाला लूप चलना चाहिए क्योंकि मुझे ये पोजीशन चाहिए, इसलिए देयर इज नथिंग इन दैट लूप. ये दो स्टेटमेंट्स निकाल के लूप चलाया तो ये सिर्फ बॉर्डर प्रिंट करेगा वो, और फिर ये इसके साथ साथ चलाओ, यू विल बी थ्रू. हो सके तो ये अंदर वाले लाइंस ड्रॉ करने की कोशिश करो उसी तरह से. That will complete our major task because nobody will be doing this and one has to do it actually. This requires more concentration than writing those general programs. एक दो पोजीशन पे आप खेल रहे हो, स्ट्रिंग काउंटिंग में वर्ड्स में एक आध दो चेंज हो गया तो कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता, इसमें काफी कुछ है. इट्स लाइक हैंडलिंग अ 25/80 मैट्रिक्स and saying that at every position I want the specific thing. If you can work with the screen positions well, you will never find any difficulty in handling the matrix. In this case, I don't have to write a function called as print matrix because the moment you enter it, it is already in the matrix form. And if at all you want to write a print matrix, just replace this scanf by printf. It will be still printing in the same position. Interesting thing is, अगर आप कभी फुर्सत से आओगे तो I will show you. I can say that आपको कोई असाइनमेंट ऐसे करना होगा, interchange two rows. Okay, in that case I can actually show that this 13 is coming down here and the second number goes from here and occupies this position. आप स्क्रीन पे देख सकते हो, नंबर बाय नंबर दे गेट स्वैप्ड 1 by 1 1 by 1. गो टू एक्स वाई का कमाल है, 2 स्टेप्स में हो जाएगा, लेकिन वो जाएगा. एवरी नंबर विल कम आउट, विल गो टू इट्स पोजिशन, दिस नंबर विल कम आउट इन दिस पोजिशन. इफ यू वांट टू सी द इंटरमीडिएट आउटपुट, आपने M1 तो किया है, नॉर्मल या कैनोनिकल फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए लोअर ट्रायंगल 0 करते वक्त. सो आई विल से दैट एवरी रो ऑपरेशन फॉलोड बाय गेट CH एंड प्रिंटिंग इट. सो आई परफॉर्म पहली बार इसे 0 करने के लिए, आई फर्स्ट मेक दिस 1, सो डिवाइडेड बाय 13, दैट आउटपुट विल बी देयर. यू प्रेस की स्ट्रोक, दिस विल बिकम 0, ऑल द वैल्यूज विल चेंज. जस्ट कीप ऑन प्रेसिंग द स्ट्रोक एंड इट विल कीप ऑन टेलिंग यू एट द टॉप कि कौन सा ऑपरेशन चल रहा है. प्रेस अ की स्ट्रोक, नेक्स्ट ऑपरेशन, and then you can see that the lower triangle becomes 0. The output is always there on the screen. It's not that something is happening and suddenly the output is there on the screen. I can show the output at each and every point. Okay, ठीक है, we'll stop here. ट्राई इट, अब तो ट्राई करना ही पड़ेगा, बिकॉज अदरवाइज यू कैन नेवर इमेजिन दीज थिंग्स.